Hi everybody, I am Divya. Welcome in today's video. Today I am up with unboxing of Boya M1 Mic, which I got from Delta Store as the price was at higher point on Amazon. It was something around 900. On an Delta Store I got it at 699. If you do online payment, you can get it at 650, like 649 only. But I was not very sure that it will deliver or not because I haven't bought anything from Delta Store before. So I didn't did online payment. I went for cash on delivery and I got it at 699, which is not up like that much like Amazon. So I'll start the unboxing of this mic. The packaging is okay, average, and there is a cut on the package, maybe because of the delivery thing or because of other packages would be have kept on this. So I'll just unbox it. Let's see if there's no damage or how the product goes. So it has been wrapped with this like ball paper, and it's good because of this damage. नहीं हुआ होगा उतना ज़्यादा. Let's see. Though the packet was torn from here, but there's no damage because it was wrapped with this plastic. And it's a little bit like tapered, I guess. So let's see the product is all right or not. Good. There is the user manual and there is a warranty card as well. And it has came in this cute pouch, as you can see, written Boya on it. It's nice. And this is the wire, I guess. Okay, we'll open it. Let's see what else is there inside. Okay, this is the mic. As you can see, it has 20 feet long wire. I read on in the description of this. So I'll also go through the manual. How to fix it. It's written here how we can fix this mic. So just I'll do that. I think it's already fixed. Yes. I'll open this thing. What is this? Let's see what's this. Where to open here? Okay, I got the point. So here we have, so in this small package with this point, and I think this is the part of the mic, this sponge type of thing, and there's also a battery and one clip to attach it. So in the next video, I'll share the review of this mic and is it good for beginners or not. Since I read few reviews and I got to know that it's good, but still I'll share my review in the next video. And now I'll just attach this. And let's see how it works. So I just go through the manual and find. So this is the 0.1 and this is the 0.5. And this is the center point, which is divided into 3 parts. This is the first part, this part, and the second is we need to put the battery over here, I guess. Let's see. So the clip which we have got will be attached to somewhere over.
One eternity later.
So I have installed the mic. You can see this is a 20 feet long wire. And here is the portion. Here was the portion where we inserted the battery. And here is the mic. There is also a clip to attach it with the cloth. And as this is the first time I'm using this mic, so I'll use it for few more videos, and I'll also let you know the reviews. Till now it's good in look wise and an adjustment, everything was good. So let's see later. Thank you. Bye bye.